Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is another Stitch Fix day. I will have, as usual, I will have all the information down below about Stitch Fix, as well as a code for $25 off your first box. That will also give me $25 off my next box. Always the return envelope. Here is my bundle. Some pretty colors. Let's look at this side. My stylist is Mel again. I like Mel. I've had her for a while. Great, so great to see you again. Let me open the bundle. We will start with the Fortune and Ivy Ginzel short sleeve knit top. It's stretchy. I think this is really cute. It's lined, or at least the sleeves are. Okay, just kidding. The sleeves are lined, but it's really cute. I have gotten this cut in my last Stitch Fix. I got this same color. I think this is super cute, and I hope you can't hear our yard guys here. This is not his normal time. He usually comes early in the morning. He's here now. I hope you can't hear him. Okay, next, this is the Lush Tatiana roll tab blouse. Cute. Looks like a kind of a purpley lavender striped buttons all the way down. Are they real? They are real. And then it's got the roll tab. Cute. Next, the Letty and Me Beckett wide rib button detail cardigan. This is a shorter cardigan with 3/4 sleeves, and they're cuffed with those 3 cute little buttons. It's got this detail in the back and then ribbed at the bottom. This is cute. Does it go with that? Kind of does. Next, the Kaylee Kirby Keyhole Flutter Sleeve blouse. And Kaylee is the brand. And this is lined. Like a cream kind of yellow, goldish yellow. This is cute. And the keyhole's in the front. And then the sleeves has the flutter sleeves, which are really cute. Okay, so far so good. These jeans feel really good. These are the Better Butter Sheila Mid-Rise Slim Straight Jean by 1822 Denim. And these feel, I've tried on the Better Butter brand, but I like this. I like this dark wash. I like no distressing. Really cute. Let's go try these on and see what we think. I will be right back. We will start with the Beckett wide rib button detail cardigan in purple, size medium, by Letty and Me, $46. And then these jeans are the Better Butter Sheila Mid-Rise in indigo, size 6, $58 by 1822 Denim. And then this is the Tatiana roll tab blouse by Lush, light pink, size medium, $44. I have paired these with just some little beige flats, and then my little kind of off pink, that's not a color, light pink purse that I thought was pretty complimentary. I really like the jeans. They are extremely comfortable. They honestly they feel like leggings. They're very stretchy, they're very soft. I like the jeans. I'm just 99% sure I'll keep the jeans. I don't like this top. And I'll show you the top in a second, but this, I love cardigans. I love cardigans even in the spring and the summer, just to carry into a restaurant or a movie theater or whatever, just to have. Not sure, and maybe it's the top because I really don't like this top. Maybe it's the top that's keeping me from liking this, but as a whole, I think this outfit, and really from here up, super frumpy to me. This is just not, I don't feel good. I don't feel like I look good. I feel like I look like a grandmother. And my yard guy's starting to blow now. So he was in the backyard. Now he's moved back front. So I will continue this when he is finished because this will get way too loud. So I'll be back. This is the Kirby Keyhole Flutter Sleeve Blouse by Kaylee in black, size medium, $44. I just kept on the butter jeans. I added some little booties because this just seems a little bit dressier than the last one. Here's the back and the length. And then here's the length in the front. It is lined, which is good. Here's the neckline and the sleeves. Now, I'll show you if I tucked it in. It would probably be a little cuter, I think. But I will be back with the final look. You know, I had to try something on with my sneakers that I love so much. This is the Ginzel short sleeve knit top by Fortune and Ivy in orange, size medium, $38. I like this. I love the sleeves. I like how long they are. Cover my arms that I'm not real comfortable with these days. It's super light, very springy, summery, cute with shorts, cute with jeans. Show you the length. I like this, and certainly the $38 price is right. So I have the style pass. I don't have a $20 styling fee to apply to anything, but what I think I'm gonna keep, these jeans, and I think I'm gonna keep this top. Let me give you a really quick wrap up as far as the price. The most expensive thing are the jeans, and they're $58, which I think is a really good price. And then this was the least expensive at $38, which I think is a good price. And then $46, $44, and $44. So, stylist pick subtotal $230, buy all discount of 25%, less $57.50, and that brings the total to $172.50, which is not bad for all of that. But like I said, I will probably just keep this and the jeans. I'm pretty sure I will know more when I watch it back, but let me know what you think. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate you so very much. I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.